Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Charger headlight bulb. Begin by disconnecting the battery and locating the headlight housing behind the bumper. Remove the dust cover, unplug the wiring harness, and release the retaining clip. Carefully swap the old bulb for a matching replacement, handle the glass by the base only, and reinstall the clip. Reconnect the wiring, test the beam, and secure the dust cover. Before you start, gather the right tools: a new bulb, gloves, screwdriver, and ratchet set. Park on level ground and use the parking brake. Work with the engine cool and wear gloves to avoid contaminating the bulb. Confirm bulb type by checking the manual or existing bulb marking and have a clean cloth ready to handle parts. If you encounter stuck clips, apply penetrating lubricant sparingly and give parts a few minutes to loosen. Accessing the bulb may require removing the wheel well liner or turning the steering for clearance. Remove the retaining clip, unplug the harness, and extract the old bulb with steady pressure. Insert the new bulb by the base only, secure the clip, and reconnect the harness. Reinstall covers and any removed panels, then reconnect the battery and test the headlight alignment and beam pattern on a flat surface and check both low and high beams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.